You're watching Outdoors to the Max with your host and survivalist, Max Lawrence.
Alrighty guys, so we're here in Texas and we were walking on the beach earlier today, and we found these holes in the sand, and so we were wondering what they were, so we grabbed the shovel and now we're gonna go find out what they are. Came out here a little late, it's kind of dark out, so we're gonna see what we can find in the holes. We're not digging this up.
Hold the light on.
It's too big. Stop.
Aw.
It's like that big. It's like that big. Oh my gosh, what is that? That's not it.
It's a freaking bird.
Oh, it's a bird.
What the heck?
It goes.
Something dragged a bird in there. We gotta go deeper. The hole keeps going.
I see something down there.
Oh
my gosh!
Holy crap!
Oh, look at that crab! That's an actual crab, Dad! That is awesome! Oh, man! Look at
Where's
that!
the cup?
Oh my gosh! It's upside down! I'm not putting that in the cup! Holy crap!
Yeah, but there's another one of those.
I was not expecting that big one with the crab in it, or with the bird in it. Crap. That's not even our shovel. We found it.